Hello everybody. Last week we released our AI agent that helps you build no-code logic for your applications in NoCode-X. This week it's time to announce a new AI agent that is coming for you in the next couple of days. I am very happy to announce to you the AI agent that will help you build pages within NoCode-X. So without further ado, let's dive in and let me show you a couple of examples. I have an empty template right here, and I can open up the AI assistant by clicking this button right here. This is in fact exactly the same AI assistant that you use to generate logic within NoCode-X. The only difference here is that I have a template opened and not a piece of action. So the thing is, the AI assistant execute or creates or generates or changes the thing that you have opened up in NoCode-X at the moment that you presented it with a prompt. So that's the thing to remember here. And now I can start feeding in prompts. So let me just repeat myself here with the last video. On the top here, you can see the amount of credits that you have left. This will be updated in every single prompt that you activate. If you want to get rid of the assistant, you can just push this button. If you want to get it back, you open it up again, and that's how it works. So you can use your voice to insert the prompt. I'll not be doing that during this video, but that's a possibility for you. So let me feed it with a small prompt. For example, design a very cool login page with a logo at the top, email and password fields, and a login button. Also add a forgot password and sign up link. Also add a footer with links such as privacy policy and terms and conditions. Let's see what the AI does with this prompt. So as you can see, the AI generated a login page for me. So let's check out this login page right here. So I have a logo at the top. I have a nice little illustration right here. I have some input fields. I have a remember me, forgotten password, and a create account. So this all checks out. Now let's see how this looks in as a real page. So let's preview this right here. If I open it up, this is how it looks. So it looks pretty cool, and I can start using it, of course. So that's pretty nice. It's a good experiment. Now the thing is, you're not stuck here with NoCode-X. The beauty is that now you can start changing the page exactly how you envisioned it. So for example, I don't want this wine glass as my logo. Of course, I want my own logo here. And the thing also is, this is all connected to your design system in NoCode-X. So for example, this button has a color attached to it, which is the primary color of your design system. If you were to change your primary color of your design system, for example, let me just head out here and I'll just copy this and let's put it in green, for example. Then if you head back, all the primary colors of your page have been changed to green, of course. Now this image has not been changed to green, but of course you can put another image in here. So let me please change back the primary color, because that was a good color. And as you can see, it immediately changes back. So yeah, that's that. Let's try another prompt. So I'll create a new template right here. So let's open up the AI assistant again and feed it another prompt. Let's have it design a sleek and user-friendly contact form, which should include full name, email address, phone number, and a message text area. Please create a very modern looking contact form with rounded input fields and buttons, and use subtle shadows. Let's see what the AI does with this prompt. So yeah, as you can see, I have this contact form created for me right here. That looks quite okay. The only thing that I want to do is maybe I want to center it a little bit, so I can change the vertical list that has been used by the AI, and I can just have a centered horizontal alignment. Right here, it contains a full name, email address, phone number, just like I requested, and a message field, as you can see right here. Let me just check it out, how it looks on a live page, because that's much easier to see. So as you can see, we have rounded corners. We have rounded corners on our button, and then we have rounded and a subtle shadow around the form itself, so that all checks out. So the AI did a good job on this contact form. So let's try another one. You don't always have to make it create full pages. You can also have it create a part of a page, or what we call within NoCode-X reusable components. So that means actually components that you can use on several different pages. Most of the times those are like what we call cards, which are different pieces of a page that visualize something really specific. So let's have it create a card for me. So for example, design a user profile card. UI displaying a circular profile picture, full name, job title, and a short bio. Include icons for contact options, a follow button, and a subtle hover effect. Use a clean, modern design with soft shadows and rounded corners. So we've gotten our profile picture or profile card. So let's zoom into this card a bit, like this. Voila. As you can see, I have here a profile circular profile image. I have a name, a job title, and then I have some text, and I can see there's some overlap, but these are the contact icons, and we have our following button. The cool thing here is that I can start changing things so to fix this overlap. So for example, I can put this text on fit to content. I can also do this for every screen. So let me just zoom out a little bit. I'll have to figure out how these are positioned. So, okay, these are positioned using a simple container. So the fix is pretty simple. I can just put it down a bit, like 500. That's a bit too much. 450, like this, and then I put this down a bit further as well. Of course, you can put this in a vertical list as well, so it will scale down according to whatever is inside this. So let us watch this in as a preview mode, so we can actually see what it has created. So that's a pretty cool or neat looking button or a card, so to speak. So let's try another card. Let's head back to NoCode-X, create a new template, and let's hit it with a new prompt. So I can just have it create a product info card UI featuring a high quality product image, product name, price, star rating perhaps, and a short description. Include an add to cart or cart button and a hover effect. Voila. Maintain a visual. No, maintain a minimal yet visually appealing design. Voila. Let's see. So we have our card. Let's zoom in a little bit. So as you can see, we have our image right here, which isn't a luxury leather handbag, of course, but we can of course change that image. We have our star review, the amount of reviews. We have a title, we have a price, we have an add to cart and an icon button which doesn't have the correct background color. The cool thing is with NoCode-X, everything is changeable, so you can go in to the background and you can like select a new background color for this button and it will have the background color that you desire. In fact, you can do it with every single thing on page and with quite a lot of detail as well. So what you now have to do is you can mark this as being a reusable component like this, switch off the authentication, and then you can, for example, have it styled to be fit to content. Let's just do that real quickly. And then you can use it on every page that you would like. I can now, the last thing that I want to do with this one is I want to check it out in preview mode. So let us see, so I can see it more clearly. And there are a little bit of a problem here that we still have to fix, since we still are working on this assistant. I think it has something to do with padding right here. So maybe this needs a little bit of a padding which you can also, of course, just adjust for yourself. So voila, this is a bit better, and we still have some other work to do as well. So now, some of you have told me, Tristan, I have been brainstorming in this tool called Crispy, or I have a Figma design, whatever. So this AI assistant that I am showing you right now can also translate pages that you have with different sources to NoCode-X. So let me show you how this works. Of course, you create a new template, just like I've always done in this video. Open up the assistant. Go, for example, to your Crispy pages that you've created. And as you can see, there is a small login page here I've created in Crispy. And just copy paste the code from Crispy into the AI assistant and hit enter. And now the AI assistant will start working on it and will translate this to a NoCode-X page. Voila, as you can see, the page has been created just like it looked like in Crispy. It has a small place for a logo. It has input fields, a password, and email. It has a forgotten password and a sign up link and so on. It has every single thing that you have on the page in Crispy in your pages in NoCode-X. So yeah, this is in a nutshell what you can do with the AI assistant that is coming for you in the next couple of days. Please tell me what you think of this assistant. Tell me what we can improve up until the release. If you have any other suggestions for any other assistants or the way that it should work, in fact, please let us know. We'll try to fit it in. And yeah, and also tell us what you are intended to build with these assistants. We are very happy to hear from you. And yeah, please, I am also happy to announce that there are more assistants coming, more AI coming to NoCode-X that help you create your applications much, much faster and that lower the learning curve of NoCode-X step by step. So keep an eye on our YouTube channel for more information on those assistants. Keep an eye on your email address for the announcements, your email boxes, your mailboxes for the announcements of those assistants. And also keep an eye on new videos coming out, because we're going to create videos that have end-to-end examples on how to create applications really, really fast with NoCode-X. So yeah, talk to you later, guys. Bye.